down in the people. Hey! You see what I'm going to say? The boy said, no, girl, no. Pause. They're too bad. I'm going to say, me bad, I'm going to start. And I'm say, yeah, I'm going to say, baby, love easy as hell. I only still do what?
Stop. Them thing up on camera and excuse.
They go sleep. What's up, guys? I don't know, say it's a girl CC. I'm there back with the next promotion, guys. I want to go over to Tishan and Kimba, guys. Please, I beg you, go over there, show them some love, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, I'm gonna ask Christ if them not bad. Them bad. I'm gonna ask Christ if you not go love them video, guys. So just click the link, go over there, go subscribe, comment, like, share out them video, make them know say CC and Nathan send on there back with the next promotion, guys. I want to go over to Famous Eyes JA, as I say. Famous Eyes JA. Go over the like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Make him know say CC and Nathan send on. Please, me I beg you. What's up, guys? I know it's a girl CC as an I make mistake, and as you can see by the title what's about to happen right now, guys, I'm gonna do a story time. But the first time here, so before me get into the video, I want to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please remember to watch the ads. Spam up the comment section with that girl. I'm not telling you guys, I beg you, please, as you see the video, as you get that notification, guys, and just give this video a big thumbs up, share it out, and yeah. So I'm gonna get right into the video, guys. Don't mind the noise, guys, because the road is right over this way. Right this way. So I don't want to know if you watch the night. What's up, guys? I don't know, say it's a girl CC, and today I'm there back with something epic. So, guys, I see that something here. I see that looking cranky or grown on YouTube. So I say, alright, I want to try it. So, guys, as you can see by the title, today I'm going to do a story time. But the first time, so, guys, before we get into the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please remember to watch the ads as you get this notification, guys, and jump on the video. Make that thumbs up blue and spam comment section with TCC. So yeah, guys, don't watch the nice because we were the right over there. So yeah, right, to say it. So don't watch the nice, guys. So all our real supporters, big up on yourself. You don't know some love, you know. I'm always gonna love you, guys. So yeah, Newton then I always, guys. So yeah, let's start again. I got so bomb. I got so bomb. I got one party, you know, guys. And I meet this boy, you know. Me and him talk for like one good while. Me I tell him about one good while. And then I can do my video. So me and him talk one good while now. Guys, me meet him in one party. The boy see me a party and I go to myself. I like how the way I move. You get me? So me and him start talking. Yeah. Where sir? Me I do something more. Me I do one story time. No story, Nathan. Me I do one story time. So yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know what I'm to Nathan, you know. So, as I say, I got a party, I'm meet the boy. Boy like how me and move and such. One story time. You don't know story time.
God.
One time you go see. So guys,
So
me
you
tell
had
you
the
say,
story time without me.
you happy then a story time, Nathan? So as me say, guys, excuse no, go
Up on the
on.
second channel, you can go.
Yeah.
What's up,
So
guys? You don't know it's your girl CC. And I'm back with another
Come
part
on,
shit.
stop. I can't remember. So guys, me say, I'm so sorry about that again, guys. So as me say, I got a party, I'm gonna meet the boy, and the boy like how I flex, and me and him a talk for one good while, and we get to know one another and say, alright, we are gonna start talking. Guys, we start talking and one day I got the boy yard. I mean I tell you I got the boy yard today, you know. And him did the animal.
Where are really at it? Which boy? Be sure I don't know party you meet me know you.
Nathan, just
So I
go
don't me
on,
a talk boy,
just
no. Where
go
you
on.
no, but the story
Go
alright.
be
Alright.
one.
Me a pause. Before alright, before you continue, this can cut out. Where the story time about? Me want to know. Tell me, cause me want to know, you know, you can't
The first time I buy something.
you buy something. You can the story time about the first time you buy something.
Alright.
You think man be fool?
The first time, yeah.
Yeah, what? What the bumbuck? Yo, don't rap with me.
Come Nathan,
First
go
time
on.
you
Go on,
Kalisha, me not laugh. You can't do that. Don't do
Nathan,
that.
just
Don't
your
do that.
interrupt my story time,
Man,
Nathan.
you
Just
can't
go
do that.
on.
Kalisha on camera, man. You
And as I say, guys, you know, I'm reach the boy, yeah, the boy say.
Which boy?
Alright.
Which boy? I'm licking
You know there's something there? So I
Which
say
boy?
what's something you talk.
Which boy you talk?
Nathan, me never,
Lock up that. You
reach.
can't do that,
So,
Kalisha. Which boy you
Nathan,
talk?
that's easy now.
Which boy?
B, me don't finish B.
So you
Excuse
do,
me,
no,
just
you
let me
mean to tell
finish
me
the
say
story
me not get
time.
that and you the boy that you can't ramp with me. I
Nathan,
must
come on,
joke you.
Nathan.
Let that happen.
As me say, guys, when I reach the boy say, you know the thing where girl them always at. So I say, no. So him say, what you mean by no? You're not a girl. So I say, yeah, me a girl, but I don't know what them always at do. Boy say, excuse. The boy say, you know, say, I want a head. I say, what you say? The boy say, I want a head. And I say, you know, say, I never do that before yet. I don't even know how
Yo,
to
man,
start.
box up your lip, man.
Nathan,
Lock off that and
excuse
stop.
no.
Lock off that now
I'm
post
say,
anyway.
I don't even
me
know
fix
if
up the
it's
video them that
start,
now
guys.
post.
You see me?
That now.
Somebody there, I'm a good song in the people.
Put on power.
Hey! You see where I'm going to stop? The boy said, no, girl, no. Pause. They're too bad. I'm say, me bad, I'm going to start. And him say, yeah, I say, baby, love easy as hell.
Bad man.
I only say, what?
Stop. Them thing up on camera now, excuse.
They go
That
bust
can't
me.
post Kalisha. That can't post me.
Be this
Be that
excuse.
can't
I'm going to
post.
finish
No,
my
no,
story.
you
And
see
my
me?
story.
You go call
It will
King
go
and
on the
Shay right
second
now.
channel.
That
Not-
can't go build your own channel and put that can't go on them channel.
I'm going to leave you alone. But
Which
Nathan,
man? Which
excuse
man you
me.
talk about you good on fan? You don't want to go out to the kingdom, here?
Nathan,
You
excuse
don't
me.
ramp with me, boy, you go down for man. You ever do that to me yet? And you can talk
I
about
said
you go
to the
down
boy,
for man
say,
the first
I
time.
said to the boy,
And
say,
come
"Unu
meet
man
man a party.
I said to the boy, say, unu man always a talk about so unu want to end in life. So I said, baby, love.
Betty, what kind of head in life? Be the self might and all, no.
Yeah, go on, man. Come on, don't come. So, I say, unu man always want to end in life. So just take for yourself and stop what I say you start so I make my deal with the things for you. People. When I tell the boy, hold me now, push me off, and I say, what you do, Mr. Fa? He say, you're too bad. Me can't do it. I say, you move like your baby, so. I don't want a man for it. Oh no.
Yo, lock off that.
Me say, guys,
Lock off
it
that.
tastes
Move, you're
good.
not.
Me
Move,
say,
man.
but you make the phone drop, you know.
Excuse.
Me see you see top and
Excuse
something
me,
red
man.
like cherry.
Red one. Move them on the nasty. I want to see a battle.
Who you call Bato?
Yo! Don't ramp with me, Kalisha.
Nathan, just excuse me, I'm finished.
Don't ramp with me.
I'm finish my story. It a go on second channel. Excuse me.
Right now, I'm going none. Be a night. Pass more on the chop pass again. 10 times. And so nobody can hear nothing of that.
The boy,
Come back,
the
chop.
boy is
Yo,
something ate already, you know.
something ate. Nobody know why I hear that.
Excuse.
Nobody know why I hear that. Nobody know why I hear that.
Nathan, that's my
You
finish
know,
my
see,
story.
come on, can I come talk about you?
Well, not the answer to
Yeah, you
know.
can get
A long time, so
me no business, me you can't get between. And you suck man with bad Kalisha. And you just tell me that? You're fucking mad in your brain, man. You don't trust your joke, yeah.
So just because I'm in the other side, you put
You
ya.
know why you do me. You know why you do me.
So we
Never
come
ask
out
you
to
for that,
create
yet?
me excitement for.
Be ever ask you for that?
What you create excitement for?
Because you come talk about say you do man
It's
and I
my
come do
story,
for
me have
video.
to talk
You know why you no story you.
Where you come on so then for? As me I say people. Guys, sorry about that. As me I say, the boy top him something pink, you know. The boy I say, me I go left my woman because of you. I say what you say. The boy say you get the ticket. Me say the ticket for what? For go far. Me say me. I'm say. I'm done. I'm say. Just I go on with myself so. But that's I go on with myself. Nathan, I come down.
Lock off that.
Nathan, what you do?
Yo, lock off that. Lock off. You better make sure you lock off that because I'm going to fling this in your head. Lock off that. I want to bet you can't do no video. I have to be soap.
Nathan, stop.
Lock off that.
Don't wet me
that
up,
nah
please.
post.
Don't wet me.
That nah post.
What you mean by
That
nah
nah
post? I was
post.
second channel to
It
go
nah
on.
post for no win
Mr.
nothing.
Guys, the boy said I'm going to get the ticket.
Stop rapping
Nathan,
me, no
stop.
man. Kalisha, you can't post that cute. You fucking idiot. And I can talk boy man and boy and body and red. You meet boy a party. I eat that youth. Might move from us, might move by you. Don't move.
Mama!
Move. Don't ramp with me bad man. You come tell us about. Even though if me never ask you for that. Why make you never tell me to do
Nathan,
this?
stop.
Eh?
I can't believe that me talk about my story and this
Me
is why
ask
you
you,
come
no.
up
Me ask you, no, Kalisha, if you ever do that, you know.
and what me tell you
You
say?
fuck me, say no.
Me never answer you.
You say no.
Me never answer you.
So that means you lie, you fucking tell.
Yes, you must know from my story. Me talk, you must know say a lie.
Kalisha, I'm not rate that.
What you mean? What you mean? I'm a story. Nathan. Guys, wanna see that? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cause I don't know see a team CC around the place. Look how Nathan with me up. Talk truth, guys. Look how him with me up. Him not deserve this a prank in here. Talk truth now. Talk the God Almighty truth, people. Nathan. Come here now. Look here. Come talk to the people there. Come talk to the people there. Okay? Come on now. Guys, as me say, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Wanna see the boy get prank a while ago. Wanna see. Nathan, be you know me not do that. If me not do, what will do? Come on. You don't see a joke me I make.
Kalisha talks about shit.
A joke me I make be. You
Them
know
nastiness there, you never. You can't do man and you never do me.
You know see a joke me I make. Stop going son now. Team
Team Nathan youth, you're bright youth.
You see me not like how you...
Team Nathan people. You know say a Team Nathan all the time. Kalisha, I can't believe that prank you really do. A Team Nathan guys.
My friend, you say you're bad mind. Team
Anyway, we
CC all
do
day,
bad.
every day, period,
Never
guys.
sorry.
Please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Come and get him. I want to see the boy. I'll dump me with the water to actually him deserve it.
Lucky
I'm
you know
out
youth.
until next
You're lucky you know me
time.
when I time them up and to lick the